China's Victory Day, 80 years after 1945. Just a few years late of Russia inauguration of Victory Day also. Mr. Military Parade, Secretary. More than 20 world leaders attending parade. It is end of World War II, 1945. Kim Putin and seaside sometime like ngayon September 3, 2025. Wednesday, alas 3 ng hapon, nanonood ng YouTube.